Hello and welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Ishani and you are watching Weekly Highlights. Today's first news is a new Women Empowerment Center was inaugurated in Babai of Narmadapuram district on 14th February. Chief guest Nishandu Bakshi and Mrs. Purvi Bakshi from America inaugurated the sewing center by worshipping Ma Saraswati and Bharat Mata. Sewing machines were also worshipped. The ceremony started with chanting of Omkar and Gayatri Mantra. On this occasion, the guests were welcomed with shawls and coconuts. The students expressed their respect by presenting bouquets and bags made by their own hands. Center President Suresh Agrawal gave the welcome speech, after which Nishandu Bakshi and Purvi Bakshi highlighted the role of Ekal Gramothan Foundation. The program was successfully conducted by Kendriya Sahayojana Pramukh Dilip Vadiva. Second news. Tribute was paid to the brave martyrs of Pulwama attack in Sheetal Nagar of Ekal Abhiyan Division, Jammu, Zone Bani. The program started with lighting of lamps and everyone paid tribute to the martyr soldiers by offering flowers. The chief speaker, village organization chief Raj Singh, remembered the sacrifice of the martyrs of the Pulwama attack and gave a message of patriotism. Health trainer Krishna Kumar of Northwestern Division Zone Office Chief Parvinder Ji, along with many workers and local people were present in the program. The program was concluded with the national anthem and a pledge to protect the country. Third news. Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath was given a grand welcome in Sanj Kafota of Zone Renukaji of Division South Himachal. The procession was inaugurated by Division in charge Suresh Sharma and Vijay Kambar. Lord Ram's portrayal was done in every village, which increased the sense of harmony and inspired people towards de-addiction. More than 700 devotees participated in this festival. This grand procession, organized for the first time, gave a new direction to religious consciousness in the society. Fourth news. On 19th February, Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath was given a grand welcome in Jasauli, Rudraprayag Zone, Uttarakhand Division. The villagers welcomed the Rath with devotion by applying tilak and garland. On this occasion, Gram Devta Pujan, folk songs and dance were organized. 3 villagers took a pledge to be free from addiction and 7 families took a pledge to become Hanuman family. The arrival of Lord Ram in the village created a spiritual atmosphere which strengthened the feeling of religious enthusiasm and unity among the villagers. Fifth news. On 16th February, a Kisan Mela was organized at OCT Center, Baligada. On this occasion, all the students of WEC Sub-Center Pulashkula and Main Center Baligada were present. The winners of the Saraswati Puja cultural program held at Lakhanpur Center were awarded. Sewing certificate distribution was also done at WEC Purlia Center. Sixth news. On 17th February, a sewing center was inaugurated in Rajavan Sanj of Division Gujarat through Ekal Gramothan Foundation. The program started with lighting of lamps. On this occasion, many dignitaries, including Chief Guest Mahesh Bhai Shah, Geeta Ben Shah and Himesh Bhai Shah were present. Ekal Gramothan Foundation officials Ashish Ji, Himanshu Ji and Parul Ji, who joined online from Delhi, also appreciated this initiative. At the end of the program, all guests praised this effort as an important step for rural development and pledged full cooperation. Seventh news. Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad General Secretary Mr. Rajiv Agrawal, National Women's Department Vice President Mrs. Madhuri Agrawal and their son Mr. Vaibhav Agrawal became a part of Saharanpur Van Yatra. The purpose of this trip was to understand the functioning of Ekal Vidyalayas and to closely observe the social and economic changes taking place in the villages. The school was run by Acharya sisters, where the children demonstrated their talent by chanting Sanskrit mantras, counting and reciting tables. That's all for today. Keep watching Ekal Bharat.